That's interesting.
얘들아 얼른 와. 빨리 와.
I prepare for such an event. The lightning round. 30 seconds, all the questions you can answer.
You guys are dead. I'm so good at lightning rounds.
I'm major in running round. Alright, I'm gonna destroy you. You wanna bet? I'm so confused. What have I been doing so far?
How about I play for more money? Say 150.
$150.
I say 200.
$200.
You did it again.
Excuse me.
Monica, I don't want to lose $20.
We won't. I just trying to spice it up. 300.
Monica!
I just trying to spice it up.
Okay, so let's play for some pepper. Stop spending my money.
I got it. How about if we win, they have to get rid of this rooster.
Ooh, that's so
Interesting.